When you ask for directions in a very rural part of Jamaica at night,
After we can't find the place, you sure say yes on the road, tell me? What you ask me for? If you stop and ask direction. You know have Google Maps, the Google Maps. See one man out this, see one man out this. That's why I like come on then country road, you know, Lucretia. Tell me to pick your stop and ask the man for directions.
Yes, good night, sir. How are
help
you?
you?
Yeah. You know where we can try to find Mr. Palmer Bar?
Palmer's Bar. Yeah, man. You're gonna go down, and then you reach down, you pass the mango tree.
Okay, so we're on the right road.
So after you pass the mango tree, you go turn right, and then you will see Mr. Palmer and him bar. Thank you. Alright, go on. He said if you turn down this, after me no remember. Stop worry yourself, man. We're gonna find Oh, you man. Remember what the man say? I want next man right there, so make we ask him. But wait, oh, he look like the same man when we did talk to the last time, so. Good night, sir.
You know, I could swear that it was you that I saw up there, so you look like you're not the same man. We're trying to find Mr. Palmer Bar. You know which part it is?
Yeah, man, me know which part it is.
So we just go down and then...
Alright, you go just go down, and you see when you pass the mango tree, you go turn right. Thank you, sir. Tell me drive, tell me drive. Tell me you sure so we not pass the turn already? At the right turn after the mango tree. We not see no right turn, Lucretia. Me feel so we pass the turn, tell me. I see one next somebody right down this way. They tell me, Lucretia, I want that. Tell me, let us see a man that one we didn't talk to up there, so. Stop it! Tell me, drive, 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 drive.